The world is a loud, obnoxious carnival. It begs for your reaction. It celebrates the emotionally incontinent, the perpetually outraged, the ones who perform their feelings for public consumption. They have taught you that your voice is your power, that expressing yourself is a virtue, that vulnerability is strength. This is the most insidious lie peddled by the matrix of mediocrity. It is a doctrine designed to keep you predictable, manageable, and weak. Every emotional outburst is a leak of your power. Every unfiltered reaction is a map of your weaknesses handed directly to your enemies. They want you to be an open book, because open books are easily read, easily manipulated, and easily burned. The sovereign, however, is a locked vault. His power is not in what he says, but in what he withholds. His silence is not empty, it is a weapon. True power is emotionally dangerous. To be emotionally dangerous is to be unreadable. It is to possess an inner world so disciplined, so controlled, that you become a black box to others. They can see your actions, but they cannot decipher your intent. This creates a profound sense of unease and respect. People are terrified of what they cannot understand. When they cannot predict your emotional response, they cannot manipulate you. When your calm remains unbroken in the storm, you become the storm. This is the realm of the silent predator. A lion does not roar before it strikes. The roar is for show, for territory. The hunt is silent. It is pure, focused, economic violence. Your emotional expressions are your roars. You are using them constantly, telling everyone where you are, what you're feeling, and when you're about to attack. You are the least dangerous thing in the jungle. The doctrine of silent power is built on one brutal foundation. Your feelings are your tools, not your masters. You are not your anger. You are not your joy. You are the sovereign who wields these emotions with strategic intent or chooses not to wield them at all. This requires you to sever the link between stimulus and response. The average person is a puppet on a string. An insult pulls the anger string. A compliment pulls the pride string. They are a slave to external events. To become emotionally dangerous, you must cut these strings. You observe the stimulus. You acknowledge the emotion it is designed to provoke within you. And then you choose. You choose silence. You choose a subtle, ambiguous smile. You choose a calm, dissecting question. You become the puppeteer of your own soul. This level of self-mastery is so rare it is perceived as a superpower. This is not about suppression. Suppression is the weak man's game. It is holding a beach ball underwater, knowing it will eventually explode to the surface. This is about transmutation. You take the raw energy of an emotion, like anger, and instead of wasting it on a pointless outburst, you channel it inward. You use it as fuel to focus, to build, to strategize your next move of domination. The insult that was meant to destabilize you becomes the very energy you use to build your empire. This is the ultimate alchemy. Your enemies send you poison, and you transmute it into power. Your calm in the face of their chaos is not passive. It is an act of psychological warfare. It communicates to them that their attempts to affect you are futile, that they are insignificant. There is no greater power move than to make your enemy's greatest effort feel like nothing at all. To walk this path, you must practice the art of emotional observation. Become a spectator of your own mind. When an emotion arises, do not identify with it. Simply name it. Ah, that is anger. There is insecurity. By naming it, you separate yourself from it. You create a space between the feeling and the entity that is you. In that space lies your freedom and your power. In that space, you choose your response instead of having it dictated to you. The world will test you. It will send fools and provocateurs to try and breach your walls. They will call you cold, robotic, unfeeling. Let them. They are simply describing the bars of the cage they cannot comprehend. Your emotional control is your fortress. Inside it, you are untouchable. You are unpredictable. You are the one who sees the strings, who understands the game. You become the silent master in a world of noisy slaves. If you have understood these words, it is because the chaos of the world has exhausted you. You have felt your power drain away with every pointless argument and every emotional reaction. You are here because you seek a more lethal way to be. You have survived the noise, and now you are ready for the power of silence. This truth is now a seed planted in the core of your being. It cannot be unlearned. This is not a channel for the emotionally expressive. This is a forge for the emotionally dangerous. This is our legion.